miss? Maybe someone stole it from you?
But who?
Why are you looking at me like that?
Because you are the only one who was standing near me.
Come on, man, confess. Did you rob this girl
Oh
or...
my God.
Look at me. How could I have done that?
Maybe you're just faking it.
Yeah, man. I know such slick con artists like him. Hey,
Hey, what's going on here?
Hey, they think I've stole this lady's necklace, but I didn't.
hey, come on, listen, I mean, check his pockets. What is he talking about? What is he mumbling about? This is your cafe, right?
Come on, I'll do that,
What is this?
okay?
Like, hey! No, wait, wait. You see that? You see that? You see that?
Oh.
That's her necklace.
Sir, I'm calling the police.
I mean, no need, but don't be that bad.
No need. Police are already here.
That's
I'm the police.
What? I don't understand. What?
I've been tracking these two for a while, and I finally got them. Check your phone.
Oh, it's gone.
hey, hey, hey!
Oh, here's my phone.
You said you lost your necklace. Well, I got a new one for you.